Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerard and welcome to 2022. Today I've got my friend Chris with me and I've got Kevin and we're out in South Africa and we're gonna hunt some Hyrax. We've got some awesome guns with us, plus I've got something very special that I'm gonna shoot for the first time on my channel. Let's get started.
That was an excellent shot, first one for the morning.
The Dassie population on this farm has completely gone out of control. With the lack of natural predators, the farmers struggle to keep the Dassies away from the crops. This aerial footage shows you the massive extent of damage such a small animal can construct, and by the looks of it, we're gonna have our hands full for the next few weeks.
Love that sound. Headshot.
Smoked him. Headshot.
Down he goes. Brilliant shot.
This is my 2022 M3 Impact build. It's fitted with the 800mm barrel. In the last couple of months we played around with different kind of twist rates for this liner. Once you get this barrel you're going to be very happy with it. I've got a Accu bipod here. This is the FC5G2. I've got the mini Arca Swiss rail right underneath the gun here from Saber Tactical. The whole gun is currently set up to shoot 30 grain H&N slugs, to shoot them at 980 feet per second, which is my absolute favorite ammo at this moment.
Perfect. Oh, this PTE shoots like a dream. Brilliant shot. Down.
This is my PTE. The gun is a 22 caliber. It is a very high-ended hunting gun, if you want to call it like that. I shoot a 41 grain slug at the moment at 1,050 feet. In the front, I've got a Krieger barrel. At the bottom, I've got a Bixen Andy trigger system. The stock has been built by the guys from Woodstock. On top, I've got an Element Helix scope. Currently, I am tethering it from the bottle itself. I get around about 4 to 5 decent shots from this gun. And that's what I want this gun for. It's a hunting gun. It's not a gun that I'm sitting down and shoot like 1,000 shots at a time. So, absolutely love this gun.
Perfect.
Nice shot. Nice shot. That was a solid shot.
Ek het die FX Imact Mk2, dis die ou Impact, want dit is hom opgegradeer. Ek wil graag lang distansie skiet met hom.
En vir loop aan die voorkant 700 loop, hè?
700 loop, ja.
Vertel 'n bietjie van daai bipod.
Goed, die bipod is Sinclair
Ja?
in Amerika. Ek het die bipod by hulle gekoop en ek het dit gebruik vir F-klas.
Vir F-klas skiet.
F-klas skiet.
Ek sien jy het 'n Accu so Cyber Tactical rail op hier op.
Werk baie goed
Ja.
en dis baie gemaklik.
Baie gemaklik.
Ja.
Ammo, wat skiet ons vandag weer by?
Dis H&N slugs wat ons
30 rounds?
30 rounds.
2-1 uit, hè?
2-1 uit, ja.
Baie nice. Gun like flipper nice hoor.
Goed, ja, en ja, ek wil ook net van die geleentheid gebruik maak om vir Gerard baie dankie te sê vir die werk wat hy in die geweer ingesit het om te maak dat ek kan skiet.
Baie
Ek is
dankie.
baie happy.
Done.
That was another good shot.
Oh, beautiful shot.
Nice one, guys. Thank you.
That was a nice close one.
Down she goes. Beautiful shot.
What we have here is a Mk1 crown fitted to a Sabre tactical chassis. Grip is a form grip, laminate grip, beautiful red color. It's an aftermarket little trigger that I got, FX Boss trigger system. Scope is the Element Helix, the nice super light barrel system with the superior heavy liner fitted to it, 600mm. Ammo is the H&N 25 grain. Speed 960 feet per second.
Sweet. That's a beautiful looking gun.
I love this thing.
Perfect. Down it goes. Nice headshot. 121 yards.
Something very special that I brought along for you guys today is this, a Thompson Center 50 cal muzzleloader. The bullet that this gun is shooting is a 250 grain ballistic bullet that this one shoots at 1,000 feet per second out of a muzzleloader. Now that's some serious energy, and I'm gonna shoot this for today in super slow-mo. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Yeah! That was nice. Unfortunately, we have to pack up and go back home. I just want to say a big thank you to Chris and Kevin for making this journey with me here up in the mountains. I had so much fun. I learned a lot from both of them. And if you guys liked today's video, please remember to smash that like button for me. And all the new guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe. It will help me out a lot. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Cheers.